Hey everyone, welcome back to the Task Guide and welcome back to another very important video. If you are watching this video, you are probably like me. I am also a beginner with a dream of speaking English fluently. The first thing you should know, and I also should know that it is a language, it is not a subject. And like other our mother tongue or any other language, we can also speak fluently if we pay a very little attention to this. So when we start to learn this language, many questions arise in our mind, that from where we should start, that should I learn grammar or should I learn just the vocabulary. Many questions arise in our mind, but in my mind I think the very important thing to learn English is the practice, because you all know that practice makes a man perfect. We should start practicing English. If we speak just two or more sentences in a day, or just a few sentences with others or with other family members or with friends, we should also start listening to the videos, listening to the speaking English practice videos. I am also not a native English speaker, and I also don't speak fluent English, but I wish I have a dream of speaking English fluently. Let's find out together that where do we start. Let me share that I have started learning English from speaking English videos, and I listen to more than two videos in a day. And now I think it has a very big effect on me, and my English got better. I think so. Not much better, but little better. My English is now such that I can speak and not fluently, but in front of others with confidence. Let's see which steps should we take to start English and to learn English. First step is that you should begin with simple and everyday phrases. Practice saying common greetings and basic sentences. It's all about your confidence. Step by step, and with time to time you will speak English, you will learn English, and swear that you will also not need any grammar. Second is I think so, practice regularly, because with practice we can learn everything. Consistency is the key. You should also remain consistent to the videos, to learn English. Just don't give up. Try to practice a little every day. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of practice can make a big difference over time. Third step is listen and speak. Listen to English speakers through movies, or through music, or through podcast, or through English speaking videos, and anyone else. Repeat what you listen, and repeat what you hear to improve your pronunciation and understanding. You know that there are also some language learning tools. You can also download an application or any other source to learn English. Make use of language learning apps or online resources. You can also join a online course, or you can also join an online class, speaking English courses. They often have exercises and activities designed for beginners. Last but not the least is the step that don't be afraid to make mistakes. This is the very important step. It's okay to make mistakes. Even mistake is a chance to learn and improve. Keep practicing and don't let fear hold you back. Don't be afraid to make them, because every mistake is a learning opportunity. When you make a mistake, you can learn from it. You will not make this mistake after that. And please accept the mistake, and you should say that I have made a mistake. You should embrace, you should accept that, and keep practicing. Okay guys, these were the little tips to improve your English, and let's tackle this journey together and make our English dream a reality. And if these steps help you as they helped me, give this video a huge thumbs up, share it, and please subscribe to the Task Guide.